Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor Goyal and this is my first video on Google Sheets. This video is about how to work with Google Sheets if you are new to it and how the Google app script works. So if you have worked with Excel automation through VBA, this video will help you to understand how you can start working with Google Sheets and start automating Google Sheets. So I have already created a small macro which basically converts the Google Sheet to a PDF. So this is the main dashboard for a Google Sheet page. So here you can select a blank sheet or you can choose from any of these templates. So I am going to open a Google Sheet that I have already created. So this was created out of the invoice template, and you can just enter anything. So say you can change the company name or the address. It works very similar to an Excel, so you can use your formulas and all. So it has all these formula, right, and you can work with it. So it will automatically save anything that you are doing on the drive. Now moving to the topic for this video, which is the app script. So to access app script, you have to go into extensions and then click on app script. So Google app script was made on top of JavaScript. So if you have some experience with JavaScript, then it would be very easy to understand the syntax of app script. So you can see it's using the spreadsheet app object and the sheet by name object and the folder by ID object, which are similar to JavaScript. So this is a small function that I created which basically will save the existing worksheet into PDF, and then I created an alert message. So once the sheet is created or the PDF is created, I will just alert the user that PDF is created. So once you have made changes to the project, the AppScript project, you can just click on the save button, and so here you can see I have called the alert message OK button function within the check sheet function. So what I will quickly do is I will just copy this. Going back to the main sheet now, how can you run this particular macro from the spreadsheet? So for that, in Excel we have an option for a button, but we don't have that in Google Sheet. So what we can do is we can use a rectangular shape by going into insert and drawing. Here you can easily create a shape, a rectangular shape which looks like a button, right? And then you can add text over it. So you will have to first work with this because it's not automatically coming up within the range of that button. But yes, now you can easily just say create a button as save as PDF. I can increase its size so it comes inside the button, and I will just click on save and close. So you can see here the rectangular shape is created which says save as PDF, but it's still, we need to assign the app script function to it. So for that we can click on the three dots and say assign script, and okay, so let me just see. So the function is called check sheet. Okay, so I don't need to do the. Now if I would click on this button, it would say running script, and so the PDF will automatically get saved in the drive, in my Google Drive, and once it's done, so it has given me the alert message of PDF is created. So now if I would go into my drive, okay, so you can see that the PDF is now created and it's saved in the same folder where the Google Sheet is present. So this is how you can easily create a macro in Google Sheets and basically start working with it. So if you want the code or the sheet for your own working, please like and subscribe, and please comment, so I will share the sheets with you. Thank you.